Hello friends, this is Afaq Ahmed. In this video, we are going to unbox boAt Stone 200 and review. This is completely waterproof Bluetooth speaker that is surprisingly affordable. Now let's start with unboxing. boAt recently released Stone 200, a budget-centric Bluetooth speaker for rupees 1000. But does small necessary mean not low so loud, or does we find out in this review? Portable speakers are easy to carry around, use and keep, and hence we have become a preferred accessory for music lovers who may require speaker for their travels. A lifestyle brand, boAt is not be familiar name in Indian accessories market, seems to have a planned cutthroat competition with these rivals, especially when it concerns the portable audio market. boAt recently released Stone 200, which is an affordable Bluetooth speaker for rupees 1000. But does small necessary mean not to so loud, or does it? Let's review it. We have just opened this box. Now we are opening the next box, which is covered by boAt logo. We will discuss about the design and features. The Stone 200 is a compact speaker that comes in two different design language. The shell of the speaker is made of the plastic but has a rubber coating that helps in it to earn an IPX7 rating, that is complete waterproof. The rubber coating runs along its perimeter, absorbs shocks from the sudden fall. Now we are opening this box. Let's open the box. Here we are opening. It's a bit difficult to remove this box because it is totally skin tight. It is very difficult to remove. Let's do it fast. Yeah, the speaker system looks outward from one side, but we have seen the pictures, and I know the boAt has done magnificent work in especially sound industry and music industry. Let's open the box. So one more box is given here. uh, yeah, we are opening it, and in this box we have just opened. Now you can see one card is given along with it, that is plug into Nivena, and few things are there. And this is just informative box and leaflet. And the boAt has provided with a charging cable. Here is the charging cable. The quality is quite good and superior. And one more thing the boAt has given is, I think it is auxiliary cable. Yes, this is auxiliary cable. So the boAt speaker comes with, I think so, aux cable also. Let's open it. Oh wow, that's a fantastic. And a rubber coating runs along with the perimeter to absorb shocks from the sudden fall. Yeah, here the aux cable is given, I think so. Yeah, here is the auxiliary port and the charging port. It is perfect. The speaker system look like from the outward to one side, but there is an amplifier on the other. The top of the speaker where is all the controls are located, and there are four buttons. Okay, one power button and two for the control volume and play pause options. The micro USB port for the charging and aux input are both tucked away under the thick rubber flap so that water doesn't get inside the body. And USB cable is given for the charging. And the battery is, the Stone 200 speaker can be easily wirelessly connected via Bluetooth with your smartphone, and whenever you switch on the button, the LED will start blinking. You can answer the call from the speaker by short press of play pause button. short press of end to end the call, and back to play status, a long press play pause button to reject incoming call. Bluetooth pairing is also easy and connections were quickly created with all my devices, which is not always the case with a lot of other portable Bluetooth. The Stone 200 allows multiple devices to connect and always respond to the latest request, that is the device that most recently pressed away. It supports Bluetooth 4.1 along with A2DP and AVRCP, which means that you can control music with these buttons. The boAt Stone 200 surprisingly clear speaker, something I would least expect from this class always. And here you can listen the music. Yes, here you can listen the music. The audio is crystal clear, you can hear that. And I think you can purchase it. If you like this video, just press like button, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will come with some new more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.